Good morning, one of all. My name is Ishma MG. My topic is education teaching the basic of CANE and LDD and simple production and algorithm binary classification of problems. Uh, the KNA is supervised on classification of algorithm, store all training data and no explicit training phases. The classifies the data based on similarity of distance. The K nearest neighbors to decide the classes, the common distance metrics, the works majority of voting principle, the simple and easy to implement used to classification of pre-aggregation problems. So we here go for example like men and women, height, weight, and classification of examples to the distance of the scores and marks. Next, we go for algorithms. Though, therefore, I training data size to do the compute the distance and then for the select the desired number of nearest of neighbors. The sort the distance by increasing order of count the number of occurrence of each label among the top neighbors. Output is assigned to the most frequent of label. LED is a supervised learning algorithm. They introduced by and Ronald Fisher's in 1936 and used two-dimensional reduction of classification. The project data is lower dimensional space. The maximum is the between classes variance, minimize the within class of variance, improves the class and separations. Next, we are examples and distributes the dependency of variables. So, like LED feature space transformation of points. The LED is analyzes the entire feature space, creates a new axis in lower dimensional space, and reduces the two data x1, x2 entity. The project data onto new optimal axis. Maximize the between the variance, minimize the within classes variance, achieve the better class separability. So we are example showing like class 1, class 2, to year 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 8. So we're considering for the 2, consider 2 by 4. Let's for example figure 5 bad access projections for and poor separations and good access projection and good separation. They are the separating by the result of showing the and is this is clear and simple. The basic unit artificial neural networks (ANA) and inspired by the biological neuron used to supervise the binary classification, classify the data into classes and zero or one input, weight biases, net sum activation function. Here, diagrams on input weight. So, like x1, x2, x3, weight 1, weight 2, weight 3 are classified the activities production. So, neuron diagrams, the method to estimate the performance of KN in LD used to repeat the k-fold cross validation within K5 and 100 reduction for each algorithms. The Kane algorithm's number of 23 close neighbors was found to be best choice for the weight for 4 and 5 close. The neighbors were the best choice of respectively. For example, so accuracy is a formula here results the mean value of each matrix each algorithm and the showing like algorithm and matrix the showing the results and second one is a main value for each matrix for each algorithm of same like this the different result will come. Thank you.